All right, we left off finding the radius, so now we want to find the sine function, okay? And now that we have all of this information, let me just do a couple of things here. Let me select all of these and let me wrap this. And so when I wrap it, I can close this down a little bit and it'll wrap around like so, okay? Trying to make it look a little prettier. And I will also center and put it in the middle, okay? So you can make that look how you want it to look. It's about readability and all of these good things. So let's go over here and now let's type in the sine function. So we want to find the sine function. And then in the next one, we want to find the cosine. And then in the last one, we want to find the tangent function. Okay. So what is our sine function? Let's see if I can pull this over. Remember that sine is going to be based on so, ka, toa. So sine of the sine function, or the sine of theta, is equal to the opposite side over r. So this is y, this is x, and this is our angle, theta, and this is r. And then the cosine function is x over r, and the tangent function, tangent of theta, is going to be y over r. So these are the three functions that we are going to plot, okay? So sine function is going to equal to, remember, it's going to equal to the y, the ratio of the y to the hypotenuse, or the r. So that's our sine function. Our cosine function, well, let's go ahead and fill this. All right, so that's our sine function. I'm just going back to the top. Then we have our cosine function. And it's going to equal to x divided by r. Okay, so I'm going to select my fill function again. All right, so that's the cosine function. And now I need to do my tangent function. So this equals to, remember, it's going to be y divided by x. So now I do the fill function again. Let's say fill, yeah. And I let that go. So now all of these calculations have been made. I'm just going to pull this over. And so we see we have our our sine function, our cosine, and our tangent. It was y over r, x over r, and y over x. This should have been y over x. I apologize about that. So y over x. y over x, okay? So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to graph these functions. Those were our calculations, but now we want to graph them.